Hi, Principal Mike Arendt here, coming with an update on some security measures here at the high school for our students. We read and heard your responses to the survey last spring as it regards to vaping and vaping by our students in our school building and on school campus. We take that very seriously and have decided to invest some of the safe and secure referendum dollars into investing in vape detectors in all 11 of our bathrooms. It's an important thing for us to be able to do to make sure that we curb the use of vape and nicotine products by our students as well as in our building. If the vape detectors go off and students are in that bathroom, each student that's in that bathroom will be taken by school administration. They will be questioned and a search of their belongings will happen. It is possible for your student to be searched and be in that location without them being one of the individuals that's using that product. The vape detectors tell us when there's activity, not who's doing the activity. It's important for us to understand that vaping, nicotine products, drug products are all illegal to have on school campuses. It's important for us to understand that we want to curb that. What we're trying to do is curb that use by students, curb that ability by students. We also want to make sure that these devices are protected so that the safety and health of our students is important. Tampering with the devices is considered destruction of school property, and that is something that we will follow through with our policies related to destruction of school property per our student handbook. We really do appreciate all of your cooperation and want you to know that we take this issue very seriously and are working together with our students, faculty, and administration to try to curb the use of this unhealthy practice amongst all of our Rocket students.